We're 3D print guys, and we print in 3D.
We're 3D print guys. Of course I've experienced the heartbreak of a failed print.
We're 3D print guys. Of course I love watching my 3D printer more than my favorite TV show.
We're 3D print guys. We could advance science and tech, but we don't.
We're 3D print guys. Of course I've got a box filled with failed prints. Ow.
We're 3D print guys. We make butt plugs and water jugs.
We don't make either of those. What are you saying?
Where's this guy? I need to finish this video already.
We're 3D print guys. It's a hobby, not a lifestyle.
Can't even say that right. Jeez.